All right. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to this week's installment of Why. Please tell me why you are not attending the Stocks to Trade live webinars hosted by me, Matt Monaco, and Rob Booker. The link is below. Click it now. Join it. We do these webinars four times a day. Every single day. 8 in the morning, 11 in the morning, 3 p.m., and 9 p.m. Eastern. Again, for a lot of those West Coasters, I mean, I get it. A lot of the stuff I do is very early in the day. If you're on the West Coast, maybe you're in Hawaii, maybe you're in Asia, okay? But the great thing, Matt, pretty much every night, 9 p.m. Eastern, Matt's live going over the best plays of the next day. I do most of the midday ones. We go over this morning, RNAZ. We're going to go over RNAZ, but went through that one live on a webinar. A guy was trading it live in one of the Stocks Trade live webinars. He was up like a couple $100 at the end of the webinar, or at the beginning of the webinar, nailed the entry on RNAZ. By the end of the webinar, he was up like $2,000. It was insane, ridiculous. It's madness. But anyway, they're 100% free, 100% live, 4 times a day and on weekends, okay? I do a weekend warrior prep every single Saturday, okay? And again, Matt and Rob are going live on Sundays. So there's like no excuse to not join Stocks to Trade Live for free information every single day, 7 freaking days a week. It's insane. Nobody works as hard as us, okay? Listen, I rant about this all the time. No one will outwork us at Stocks Trade, man. We care about your success. That being said, RNAZ was the #1 long bias trade on Oracle. You're looking at Oracle. If you're not familiar with Oracle, you'll notice a lot of stocks highlighted in red, a lot of stocks highlighted in green. The green stocks are potential long opportunities, stocks you would buy or trade calls on. Vice versa, the stocks highlighted in red, you would short those stocks or trade puts on them. High price, low price, ETFs, real stocks, as I like to say, trashy penny stocks, okay? Everything's here, one click. Watch this. Want to build a watch list? I open a new tab and I click the Oracle button. The 15 best stocks of the day, RNAZ is on there. It doesn't get any easier than that. I don't understand why you wouldn't join us on Stocks to Trade Live to be able to have access to this tool when it is that easy. And RNAZ this morning, live in a webinar, we went over right at the end of the webinar. Somebody said, hey, what do you think about RNAZ? What did I do? All I did was go to Oracle, and at the time I looked at the stock, it was trading at 60 cents. You know what I did? Someone asked about it. I went to Oracle, I went to RNAZ, click on it, stock's trading at 60 cents. The signal's at 62 cents. We broke it all down, entries and exits. Let me show you the whiteboard on that. Right here, Oracle guides you through the trade. So notice, not only do I have an entry, which is defined on an algorithm, on artificial intelligence, technical indicators, support, resistance, Fibonacci's, the golden ratio, all of this goes into this algo to give us good entries. If you don't have a good entry, you're going to buy, you're going to chase, you're going to do all these stupid things, you're going to get terrible entries, you're going to get frustrated, you're going to give up. Then the other thing that Oracle does, it also guides us through stops and goals, okay? Look at this red circle, okay? The red circle was drawn by me, annotated as 3. Every real trade plan has a good entry, it has a stop, and it has goals, okay? If you don't have trade goals in crappy penny stocks particularly, you're going to overstay, you're going to give back profits, or you're going to turn winners into losers. Give me a comment below. How many of you turn winners into losers? It is very common. It happens. You can break that cycle with Oracle. Oracle gives us channels all the way up at 75 cents as a potential selling area, 94 cents, and then $1.26. Live on that webinar, it was trading through the channels. I said, listen, if it breaks below 75, you take small profits if it moves on. If it breaks through 94 to the upside, you stay in it, you let your winners ride. That's what Jim did, okay? RNAZ continued higher, spiked up to the next major resistance level at 126. It's currently channeling between those two levels. What do we do if it stays between these channels? You know what we do if it stays above 94? That's bullish because it's trading between the Oracle levels, telling us to stay in the stock. If it breaks below 94 cents, we take profits from 62 cents. You're still up 50%. 50% from 62 cents. to a 94 fail. Maybe you stop out at like 92 cents and you make 30 cents a share. Oh, boo hoo hoo, 50 cents a share in a matter of a couple of hours. If it stays above 94 cents, we stay tight. We hang tight. We let it work. Then if it breaks 126, we move those channels up and we reset the same thing, just like it was at 75 cents. Right here, 75 cents between 94 for the duration of that webinar. At the end of the webinar, it broke out, moved on to the next channel. The Oracle levels on my Oracle bar and my algorithm match up with my chart. It guides you through the trade. So last time I'm going to ask you, okay, why are you not on Stocks to Trade Live? I did an hour-long webinar teaching all of this. Listen, this is like a 6-minute YouTube video. There is a limit to what I can pack into a 6-minute video. What you got to do is get on Stocks to Trade Live with me, Rob Booker, and Matt Monaco and start crushing it today. Click that link below and don't miss the next RNAZ.